Good morning, good morning. Here we have gold potentially set up, and I actually wouldn't take this trade only because we have news coming up, okay, in 5 minutes. Now, this could be a nice setup for a 2-hour trade right here, and we'll see if it actually plays out, but if it doesn't, then that's okay. I do believe it will play out though. I think news is based on CAD. We do have some like yellow news for USD, but for the most part, I do believe here, oh, this is a good push we needed. Let me go ahead and give me 1 second. Okay, so here I'm going to go ahead. Okay, so here, and we'll see how it does after news, but this would have been the trade right here. And if you wanted to move stop loss about 2 pips above, which would be here, your 2R is down here. So right now you've moved your stops to break even, and you're just waiting to see what happens, but let's see what happens. Okay, let's keep looking at this. So that would be a 2-hour trade there. If I go on the 5-minute, let's see what the 5-minute is doing. I would like to see it probably go higher, but we may not. SPX is right here. Okay. Give me 1 second. So on the 5-minute, we may see SPX here give us a trade. If it's more than 1 point, we will look to take this trade. If the stop loss is more than 1 point, we will look to take the trade. I'm going to go ahead and open up my MT4. Alright, let me go ahead and open up my magic keys, and we'll look to take SPX for a buy trade. I should look at how gold is doing. We're not taking it yet though. Let's see how gold is doing. Gold is headed towards the right direction. Alright. I will also still be looking at gold, so let's see what happens here. Let's see if I open calculator here. Well, okay. On SPX, I will probably look to get into this trade here. And give me 1 second. Where's my Okay. We want a volume of 4.5. Okay. No, I did want to take this, but maybe we won't. Let's see if it comes back up, we may take it. Okay, for some reason my chart is a little bit slow. Let me adjust my sync. Sorry if the charts looks a little bit I will look at the, give me 1 second. Gold drilling was right here. Give me one moment. Let me also take a look at this. Okay, so this is a goner. Okay. So, if we're looking in terms of gold, we had a nice setup right here. The gold drilling would have obviously been right here. So this trade here, the engulfing was at 823, right? And price shot down, immediately shot down the next candle, started reversing a little bit, then shot down and hit 2R right here. So this would have been the trade. Just like that. And it looks like on a 5-minute it was just basically all bearish. And we'll keep watching. I'm gonna keep watching SPX, see if it reverses. But overall, gold would have already been finished. I will check your message. Gold drilling was right here. Let me put a marker. So 50% of this stop loss would have been above this right here. So maybe 2 pips above that would be right here. And take profit is obviously midnight open. So midnight open is down here. So you'd probably get stopped out at break even. If we're being honest here, you would probably get stopped out if it comes back up at break even. If you got into gold drilling, because right here you would probably be break even. But the regular gold trade here would have already hit TP. The regular gold trade would be this right here. You had the engulfing candle right here. You entered at the end, or you could have entered on this candle as it went up a little bit, and then just held right here on this big candle right here. You would have moved stops to break even, right? Because I think that's below 1R. Yeah, it is. It's 1.3. And you simply just wait now. looks like news didn't really do much to it. We see prices still dropping. And actually, so if you didn't move to break even yet, let me see if this is 50%. So usually we move break even at 50% of the day, right? So from high to low, 50% of the day is... Okay, so if you didn't move to break even, because I thought we already hit 50% of the day, but I wasn't calculating that price had already gone this far down. So 50% of the day is right here. So you could still be in the gold drilling, or you could either be in it to lose the trade, or you would be break even if you got out somewhere down here, or at least move to break even. But yeah, so looking back on the 1 minute, gold drilling off this candle here, let me see, was there any other entry? So 8 o'clock is here. There was no fair value gap or imbalance until here, so this would have been your first trade because it never got up into this one. So you would still be in your first trade, and your first trade I believe is like a 4. I'm not sure, let me see. 50% was right here. Above this candle would be 88. And I believe, yeah, it's 4.3R. So whatever you risked, if you risked 0.25, you're gonna make 1% on this. If it gets down here, it may just reverse, or it may get to this 50% of the Fibonacci from high to low of the day, which will give us the break even. But I mean, if we're not gonna get any trade, I'm not going to stream. I'll probably stream for 10 more minutes, maybe 5-10 more minutes, and then we will see. Alright. Okay. I was just resetting my, seeing if we could get another trade, but we'll see. We'll give it some more time. Okay, so I'm hoping gold will keep dropping until maybe 9:30. Then we may get a reversal, but obviously we already missed our trade, even though today does seem bullish. Alright, so I think the gold drilling trade for the day is already over. I mean gold mining, and the drilling is not over, so what I'm probably going to do is end the stream off here in about 5-10 minutes, or even maybe 5. I think we'll know anything at 5, but the trade has already happened. I missed the trade because I was getting the stream ready, and it happened so quick at 8:23. I was a little late today. Usually I started at 8:10, right? And perhaps if I did start at 8:10, we would have caught the move, but yeah. There's always next time. We're not too worried about it. Yeah, alright guys, so what I'll do is I'll end it off here. That way we're not revenge trading or looking for trades. The trade already happened for today, so there's nothing to really watch. I'll message you guys tomorrow. I'll I'll be on earlier because I'll actually be able to be on earlier. But yeah, have a good day. And if you caught the trade, good job. If not, there's always tomorrow. There's no need to force a trade today. So have a good day.